Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where it's Milky My Way, and today I will be talking about my starter locks. I will get right into the video. I've had my starter locks for 1 month and 1 week officially now. I intended on making a video at the 1 month mark, but I did experience a death in the family, so the upload has been delayed. But I am happy about my locks. A couple of key points about my locks or things that I've experienced over this month. I did wash my hair twice. I washed my hair the first time at the 2-week mark, and then I obtained a retwist on the 3rd week because my hair was starting to unravel, and I will post videos below of that. My retwist went extremely fast. For me to have long hair, she was able to get it done in about an hour to maybe 45 minutes. I was in and out and I loved it. She did wash my hair with Shea Moisture shampoo. It was a shampoo bar. It was a Shea Moisture shampoo bar, and it left my hair feeling itch free because I have been dealing with a lot of itching on my scalp. I wouldn't say it's been dry, it's just been irritated because perhaps it's not used to being locked yet, so it's still getting used to that. The shampooing definitely helped with the itching. My hair is starting to bud in numerous places. I would say here it's starting to bud and here it's starting to bud, but let's see. It's been about 2 weeks since my last retwist and my roots are a little fuzzy, but I love it that way. I think my hair looks better when it's a little less neat. I prefer it that way. But here is what it looks like, and I think I'm gonna continue with curly locks. I like the way it looks, so I occasionally, maybe twice a week, I'll spray water on my locks and put tea tree oil on my hands and rub it through my locks. And I also put Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner on my ends just to maintain my curly ends. I do want to go for the bohemian lock for the long run, so this is what my hair looks like at the 1 month mark, and I love it. I can't wait until all of my hair is a little bit more uniform and it's puffy all around. Some areas are still skinny and some are budding, so I will trust the process with that. I will say that I am experiencing shrinkage still because my hair was, like I said in the previous video, it was to the middle of my back, so if I pull out my lock, it's still pretty long, but the shrinkage is real, so I just have to live with that. I thought that perhaps my locks would drop as time goes on, and maybe it will later on, but as of right now, it's still to my shoulders, and I'm okay with that. Okay, I lied, so I'm not okay with that, but here is an inserted video of what my hair looks like from the back. As you can see, my hair falls just below my shoulders, and there is quite a bit of budding at the top of my hair, not so much at the bottom. And here is a closer video of what my hair actually looks like. All in all, everything is going well with my locks. I love the parting, I love the spacing, I love the size of them. I have yet to count my locks, so I do not know the number of locks that I have. Perhaps I'll do a video on that too. If you would love to see that, leave a comment below. But I will keep you informed. So far, this is 1 month and 1 week, and I will definitely come back at the 2 month mark and let you know how it's going. So thank you for watching my video, and if you would like to see more, stay tuned.